TaxDome is a versatile, all-in-one practice management solution designed for tax professionals and accountants. With its powerful suite of features, intuitive design, and seamless automation, TaxDome helps you streamline your workflows, enhance client communication, and efficiently manage your entire tax practice. Let's look at the key features of TaxDome. Integrated client portal for secure communication, automated workflow and task management, document management and e-signatures, invoicing and online payment processing, CRM tools for client relationship management, customizable pipelines and automation, time tracking and billing, seamless integration with tax software. Let's explore the uses of TaxDome. Managing client communication and collaboration, automating tax preparation workflows, storing and securing documents, tracking time and generating invoices, collecting digital signatures, improving team collaboration and productivity, streamlining billing and payment processing. Meru Accounting has a team of certified TaxDome specialists with extensive experience in configuring the software to match the unique needs of your accounting or tax practice. We help you optimize TaxDome for seamless workflows, secure communication, and superior client management. Here are the services we offer using TaxDome: workflow automation and optimization, client portal setup and customization, document management and e-signature support, invoicing and payment processing solutions, CRM configuration and client communication tools, time tracking and billing setup, integration with other tax preparation software, ongoing support and custom reporting. TaxDome is trusted by tax firms and accounting professionals for its comprehensive features and ease of use. Partner with Meru Accounting today to harness the full potential of TaxDome for efficient practice management and client satisfaction. Contact us now.